I'm going to add 3 of these into this very big pot. And that is what is going to give it the very sour taste. Okay, now the last one is salmon, and the reason why I have salmon is because in the sour soup, I will also cook salmon because I'm changing my diet. Oh God. I don't really like fish, but I think I have to do it. I heard, and it's really very good for us. Very good for us. It's. You think it's tasty?
Yeah, like I prefer it over like regular fish or like buns. It doesn't taste too fishy.
Yeah. You know, in Spain, the very popular fish there is cod. Cod. They love cod. I don't know. I'm not a fish person, so okay. I'm gonna cut them into smaller pieces because, I mean, you know, I'm not really very picky. I eat leftovers. Some people, they don't like leftovers. I have a boss. Her name is Georgia. Georgia, are you there watching this video? She's pregnant right now. She can't eat the dish the next day, so she gives them all to me. So I get leftover dishes. And in return, I give her peanuts. And I was supposed to throw her a baby shower, but that's a little bit suspended right now for a reason. Just because. Anyway, clap. We've changed from action to clap. Apparently there's a science to that. Okay. So, as you can see, it's already very tender. And of course, to test that, I poke it with, and this is going to cook for another 2 hours, so not to worry, it's going to be so tender by the time we're done. Now I'm going to add this, you want to film this? Close. It's called Mamacita's Sinigang na Sampalok. It's with Sampalok. This one is with guava. This one is the more sour one. Okie-dokie. And I just let it simmer. And then later on, I'll taste it again if it needs more of it or if it needs salt. The packet already has salt in it, amongst other things. A lot of the sour ingredient. And I haven't cut onions, but I'm gonna put onions later. So I'm gonna cover this and let it continue cooking. Okay. Now, okay, so eggplant. This is Asian eggplant. This is not your Caucasian eggplant where it's just so big and so huge and fat. This is Asian eggplant because Asians are small. Okay. This will go into the sour soup. We'll have a lot of eggplants because they're very tasty. Well, you know what? They're not really tasty. They will absorb the taste of the dish. That's what eggplants are for, by itself. And apparently, I have read that eggplant has no nutritional value. 0. just as cauliflower. But I think it's good for your digestive tract. So it still has a lot of use. Okay. Eggplant. One more eggplant. Never hurts to have a lot. These are onions too. Do you have a lot of friends?
I feel like I have closer friends. Don't have like a lot of like random friends.
It's not your style.
Yeah.
Now we're going to go back to the sinigang. We're going to add the vegetables. Could you imagine the cooks, how much work they do? Huh? They have sous chefs. So like I said, I'm having my pains. So now I am going to change my diet. Can I just add the fish into this?
I don't see why not.
Yeah, instead of having a separate soup, just fish, right? Okay, I'm going to add the fish. This is the pepper. This is white radish. It's called daikon. How do you say that in Tagalog?
No idea.
I don't know. I forgot now.
What is the term for that? Labanos?
Oh, labanos. So it's called labanos. Doing this YouTube thingies. And I was so ambitious today. I decided to do 3 dishes, which I don't know if it's a mistake. Because, gosh, it's hard to make 3 dishes. Oh, I'm being filmed.
Yeah.
I didn't know. Good thing I didn't curse. Almost done. So I think we should just already, you guys could already sit at the table. Yeah, because we will be eating the arroz caldo first. And then, Dor, let's sit down now. And then this is the, so this is a lot of vegetables right now, but it is really going to shrink. It's going to shrink. So we're gonna serve the first dish first, and then this one next. Oh God, I hope I put enough water. This is the thing when I'm cooking, it's all by feel. By feel. I don't have like, oh, X number of amount of, oh my God, I can already see my meat falling apart. But I guess that's good, huh? Okay, so now we're gonna cover it. And then we're gonna serve the arroz caldo first. Oh God, yes I do. But not anymore now. When my kids were little, I used to cook a lot. But not anymore now. Okay. So let's have our drinks and then let's sit down now. Arroz caldo is usually cooked with chicken. Pretty much always with chicken.